Okay, year 7 8. Now I'm going to show you how to draw the orthographic drawing for the napkin holder. Okay, so the first step you need to do though, because this is the original drawing you've got, once we change it you can't get back to it so much, so the safest way to do it is to go save a copy as, and this one was called napkin box. Actually, I didn't save it before, but I'll call it napkin holder ortho, and it's going to be saved on the desktop there, so I'll save that there. Then this is still that original drawing that I've done, so I'll close that, have a look on your desktop, and there it is there, the napkin holder ortho. Open that one up. Ortho, that's good. I was in a rush with the O's. Anyway, I won't worry about that now. Okay, now we're going to go to Window, Styles, and change it to this style that doesn't have the texture on it and it's got a white background. And then when you put your orthographic drawing into your folio, it'll fit more neatly. It won't have that sort of grey background behind it. Okay, so that's that. We're in the right area now. Now I'm going to turn off those axes. So go to View and Axes and turn those off. Now, hopefully you've got these up the top of yours. If you don't, remember View, customize the toolbar, and you can drag those up. If you've got a PC, it's a different way, and I can explain that to you later on. I can't show it here, obviously. All right, so now I'm going to go to one of my standard views and just click through these three here. Now that is the one that I want to have as a front view. So it's that one there, the middle one. Now as you see, that one at the back is smaller, and that's because it's in perspective. So you need to go to Camera, and at the moment you can see it's in perspective. That's been highlighted. So you turn that to parallel projection, and watch what happens. Right, you just get a single line through it. The other thing I'm going to turn on now is this one under Styles. And as you click that on, you can see these broken lines come on. That's the hidden detail for the bits that you can't see through the wood. Okay, so I'm ready to go. I'll just pan that down, put that down the bottom. Now I've got to make sure that this thing, and it's not, I was going to make sure the whole thing is a group, but see the base is not connected. So we'll just make another group, Command G, and now the base is connected. Right, now I'm going to move that copy and pushing the Option button, yep, straight above it. Make sure that line is on the axis as it shows there. And I'm going to make another copy of this one to the side. So move, Option, the side, right up. Now we go to this isometric view. This is where it gets a bit tricky, but anyway. What I want to do is rotate this one that's highlighted at the moment on that blue set of angles. So click it, then you move it out and click it again and swing it around 90 degrees. Now it's pretty close there to the other view, but that doesn't matter. But you can see on the bottom right hand side, that's the 90 degrees. So I click again, that's in place. This one I want to rotate 90 degrees in the other angle. So this time it's the green one that I want. Click, bring it out, click, swing it around, and then click again. Now when we come back to this one, which was the view that we started with, you can see that there are your three views. Now I might just move this one a little bit lower. Just make sure it stays on that line. Don't let it go sideways. And then the side view, I'm just going to move that a little bit to the side. Just give me a little bit more room. Okay, so that looks fine. Now once we got to this stage, you don't want to start zooming in and out because the dimensions sort of change a little bit. So it's best to get this in a position now and then just leave it. So I'm going to put that in that position. That'll be the final position of it, and that's the way it'll be when I take my screenshot. So firstly, dimensions. So you can see which tool I use there, I hope. Put this one here. And I'm just going to get these on very quickly. For an orthographic drawing, you should have all of the dimensions on there at all. It shows everything so that the person that's going to make it knows exactly what size everything is. So I'll put quite a few on. Now it's important to have these ones too. And if you remember on the last drawing I said make it 66 rather than 65. Well, this is why. So you get three lots of 22 rather than 21 the third. That's right. And there, okay. And bring that out. Okay, so now, no, I must have missed that one, so it's got 21. The computer's playing up a little bit. Anyway, I won't waste time trying to sort out why. I'll leave that there for now, but that should be a 22, and my computer's just, the mouse is playing up a little bit. The other one I need to have is probably this one from there to there, because that's an important measurement, 30. And last one, I'll put that from there to there. Now see when you're putting it on, that can go at that angle, but you just got to move the cursor down and it'll straighten up for you. Right, so that will do. You notice that it's got 90.0 millimeters. Down on this one, you can't even see it because it's all cluttered up with different bits and pieces. So we can change that. This is where we go to Window, Model Info, Units, and at the moment the precision is 0.0 millimeters. So we change that to 0. And also it says display the unit format, which is the millimeters, but we don't need that, so we'll turn that off. Nothing changed, because now we go to dimensions. We say select all and update. Oh, well, they updated straight away anyway. So there it is now. Now you can see that's much better in that you can see all the numbers. But see the 22 and the 21, they're a bit tight. Another thing you can do, the endpoints in here, you can turn those to dots, so see what happens there. Then we go select and update. See they turn to dots, so those numbers become clearer. So there's a few options there and you want to play with them. I might just leave it as the slash. Right? But they're all good, they all look fine. And it's better to have them consistent across the drawing rather than having one dimension having something and the others like that. Okay, but that's all good. The only other thing, if I've got my dimensions, I'm going to change the text color. And I'll just pick another color that will stand out so that the drawing stands out. I'll pick that purpley looking colour. Once again we go select and update. Now you notice that they haven't changed, and that's because everything is selected. Now it is now. That's changed now. So we've got those purple ones. That looks okay. That drawing is just about done. It's got the hidden detail here. It's got the dimensions. The only thing missing are the subtitles. So that's the top view. Front view, and the front view and the top view, they always line up. So it's, the top view's above the front view. So that makes this one the side view. And, well, I'll put the right side view. Sometimes you have two views, the left and the right, but I'll put that in. Right side view, enter that. That's done. That drawing is now complete. What you can then do is go Command-Shift-4, or if it's a PC, something different. Right, take your screenshot. That will then be on your desktop. Really see this is how slow it's going. Okay, and there it is. You can then copy and paste that straight into your design folio. Okay, good luck.